is. Ausranvik? Ausranvik? I don't know how you say that. Ausravnik fridge, Jackery, 500. I mean, I would say maybe this is probably a budget purchase, simply because this stuff gets really expensive. This fridge cost me about 250 bucks or so on Amazon. The Jackery was a prime deal, probably around 450. I'm gonna cover today basically is these two working in unison, simulate running a fridge at night for 8 hours. So I'm gonna do it in my garage. Awesome collection of junk. I'm gonna do it in here simply because it's hot. We're in Florida, the best part of Florida, in the Panhandle near Pensacola, easily into the 90s. I'm gonna run the test in my garage and I'm gonna simulate 8 hours of sleep. Maybe 9, maybe 10, I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. See what kind of result I get. Ausravnik fridge and the Jackery 500. One knockoff, one pretty good quality stuff. Let's see what happens. Start time, 7:42 a.m. Time is now 3:40. Let's go have a look. Still at 30 degrees, 62% on the Jackery. It's 9:30 and my light came on. All right, let's go check it. Still at 32. Jackery's down to 37%. Not a bad run today. I think the high was around 90. Had the garage open a few times, closed a few times. Not a bad run. Well over 12 hours, still going strong. I think it's gonna work out.